I buy the shoes and I forget about them, okay? It's a mess, I know. I'm still embarrassed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the name is Jeannie and I have so much stuff. I want to take some to Goodwill. I just finished recording 4 videos, so I am tired. These are some of the clothes I hang here. I'm still embarrassed, but again, I just recorded hauls. So this is what I'm working with right now. It's a mess, I know. I have my shoes here. This is not the room I sleep in. This is more like my recording room. I don't know where I can set this camera. Oh, the struggle is real. Maybe I can set this camera here. Now my wigs, I'm planning on like washing them before. Ever since I got the braids and the twists, I haven't really been wearing the wigs, so I will just have to wash them tomorrow or something.
3 days later.
I just came back from running some few errands. This is like 3 days after. I need to clean. I'm going crazy. The deal is sell, give some away and keep. These are the 3 categories I'm going to put these shoes in. Some of these shoes are so old, I need to really get rid of them or sell them. These sandals, for instance, I wore it like once. I need to sell it. I don't wear it and it's just going to be in the closet. Do you know I forgot about these sandals? Oh my goodness, that is crazy. I'm definitely keeping these. I forgot about these too. These are so cute. I buy the shoes and I forget about them, okay? I need help. I'm definitely keeping these. Look at the color. I never wore these. Never, because they were too small for my feet. So I definitely will sell this. Hey guys, I just finished arranging my shoes and now I have the ones I'm going to sell and the ones I'm going to donate. So I have about 4 shoes. I'm going to take pictures of them. Hey guys, so I just finished arranging my shoes and I had to come to the garage. Don't judge me. I have so many stuff here that honestly I don't even remember what I have in them. Most of them were from college. I'd never opened them. I'm going to actually separate these items into keep, throw away and donate. I'll be giving to Goodwill. Every item that gets into this suitcase is going straight to donation. I started sneezing, so I can't continue. I have decided on the things I'm going to keep, on the things I'm going to donate, on the things I'm going to trash. Some of these items I never wore. I just can't fit in them anymore, unfortunately. So these are the items I'm going to donate. I still have some more stuff from upstairs that I need to add on, but I need to wash them before I take them. These are the items I will keep and also give to some of my friends. I have to actually wash the ones I'm going to give. They are not dirty, they are just stuffy, and as I said, I started sneezing. So of course I'm not going to give stuffy clothes to anybody, even if it's Goodwill or the shelter. I'm not going to do that. I have to make sure I wash them. This was a bad idea. I think that's it. Let me just close all these suitcases because there's too much over here. I'll have to continue some other time.